Albert Grant here with Larry Melberg. I ran into him here at Pizza Expo. I've been an admirer of his pizza peels for a long time. His company's called the Baker's Board. Tell me a little bit, how did you get into making peels, Larry?
I'm just passionate about making wood products and fell into doing pizza peels. And since we've been refining the craft, just like how people refine the craft in making their pizzas.
What kind of wood do you use?
We use, for the lightweight, we use basswood, and then we also do a gourmet style where they're a little darker, and we do the same process out of cherry.
How long does it take to make a peel?
Most peels are made in about 20 minutes. We've got some good equipment, and we've got the process down, so we make a few. We do about 300 a week on average. Sometimes we make cutting boards, sometimes we're making the wood peels.
And the peels are they engraved, are they burnt? How do you put the lettering into the peel?
We laser engrave the peels with company logos or your personal message, so that for wedding gifts or corporate events or anniversaries, those type of things.
What size are the peels?
We can make them anywhere from the small minis, 9 inches wide, to all the way up to 30 inches wide.
And the big question, of course, what is the cost of making a peel?
Some of them are around $10 a piece or less, and just depends on what you do with them, all the way up to $60, $70 a piece.
How did you start making peels? Why pizza peels?
Back in the day, I thought it was something to fill in the peaks and valleys with my custom cabinet business, and now we're doing no custom cabinets and all pizza peels.
Wow, I guess pizza's a pretty big industry.
Yes, really love the pizza industry.
So I like to say peels with a peel, and that's and of course, how can people find you? How can they hook up with the Baker's Board?
Check us out at our website, thebakersboard.com, or I'm on Facebook also, Larry Melberg.
Okay, thanks so much, Larry. I'm going to try to put a few examples of your phenomenal peels on this video, and I'll put all your contact information below. So thank you again.
Thank you very much, Albert.